Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact website URL you want to use like an app. Use the desktop or mobile browser that supports installing sites. Once there, sign in and set any account preferences so the app state is ready. Make sure required permissions are granted notifications, camera, or location before installing. This reduces prompts later and ensures the site can cache content. Now, locate the browser menu or install prompt to begin the conversion to an app-like experience. You select Install or Add to Home Screen from the browser menu. On desktop, choose Install from the toolbar prompt, and on mobile, pick Add to Home Screen. Once prompted, confirm the app name and icon and place the shortcut where you want it. After installing, open the new app window. It should run in a minimal frame. To verify, refresh while online, then disable the network to test cached pages and functionality. This confirms the site behaves like a standalone app. You finish by pinning the app to your taskbar, dock, or home screen for one-tap access. If content looks stale or features fail, clear the cached site data and reinstall the app. This forces updated service workers and resources. Make sure the site registers a service worker and has a manifest file. That's why it installs cleanly. If things still break, try opening developer tools to inspect service worker status. Then refresh the service worker cache and relaunch the installed app.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.